guys, today is 5th August and I'm going to get vaccinated for my second dose. I hope I get the vaccine because like there's always shortage of vaccine, then you can't book the slots, so the system is basically very bad and corrupted. So we're going to get vaccinated. हटो यार, क्या कर रही हो? That I'm getting vaccinated, and yeah, So guys, it's 5:30 p.m. and I returned home a while back, and I got the vaccination. So the vaccine was fine, it went okay. Right now I feel a little bit like lazy and lethargic, and also like I have body pain, but I don't have fever as of now. But after the first dose I did get sick for like 4 days, so it's okay. It means if you have side effects, that means that the vaccination is working and your immunity is good. So right now I just want to show you a few things that I got from Amazon. So I bought quite a lot of stuff from Amazon. Let's see what's inside. So this is the very first packet. It's a small one. So this is like nail filers that I got. There are like 2 of them, so I got 2 nail filers. Next thing that I got is this like lipstick from Maybelline. These are 2 shades. This one is the red one, this one is the wine shade. Now I'm not very sure about makeup, but this was like the combo that I got from Maybelline. It's good because I gifted one to my friend and she said it was good, so I think I know what's inside. What? Nothing is inside of this box. Okay, I've already opened this box. Okay, so these are basically contact lenses, but these are daily contact lenses. So the thing is that when I go to like parties and stuff, which is almost never, like I almost never go to parties, but whenever I do, I'm just so tired when I return home that I just throw away my lenses. And if they're like monthly lenses, that's a lot of waste. So I just got these like daily ones from Aqualens. I guess these work fine. It's my first time trying Aqualens. I hope they're good. So I use like technology and gadgets all the time. My eyes get tired, my face get tired, and I get dark circles. So I got this like face mask thing. Now this is basically gel. Inside of it it's gel, and then you can simply, this is what it looks like. Inside of it is gel, and you can just like freeze it or put it in the fridge and let it cool, and once that's done, you can just put it onto your face, and yeah, you can just chill for a while. I'll just do it after this video or maybe in the vlog itself. So now I had the eye mask, but I wanted it for my entire face, so I got this. This shampoo, the L'Oreal, this one, I always use this. I was out of it, so yeah, I got it again. It's a really nice shampoo by the way. So like this packet fell when I was like bringing everything. So I got nail clippers, 2 of those. I have the exact same ones, but they got like old, therefore I got new ones. So nice pink color, both are different. Instant Age Rewind concealer. It's basically like a concealer from Maybelline. You can just put it under your eyes, and it's supposed to just like remove dark circles. I also got like this hair dryer. Now the one that I had, it did not even dry the hair, so I got a new one. This is what it looks like. Now it has a cold air setting and a warm air setting. It's a really nice hair dryer, and then they also have like these attachments. So they gave like 2 attachments. This is the first and this is the second one. So I'll leave the link to all of these items in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. This was a big haul. I got a lot of stuff, so make sure that you check it out, and thank you my old store for sending me these. Okay, I'm out of breath. Oh, I'm so tired. I don't know, maybe because of the vaccination or something. I'm just super tired right now, but I don't want to sleep. I don't feel like sleeping. Just so out of breath. Doesn't make sense. This is my doggy. It's my dog. Hi, Tiku. Hi. This is what the face mask looks like. I mean, you can adjust it according to your face, but the thing is that I look so hideous, but it does help. Actually, it does help. It's just so relaxing and it's very nice for your eyes. Hello, my name is Susie, and Susie with a Z. Meanwhile, while I'm relaxing, I'll just like practice some Spanish lessons on Duolingo, because it's always good to learn a new language and continue tracking your progress. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. It's for like for adults basically, I guess. My face is a little small because my nose is not that big, so it's just covering my mouth. Okay, whatever. So the straps at the back are pretty useless, but other than that, it's really good. It works well. So I'm eating some pasta which my mom made me. It's really nice, and I'm watching this show Outer Banks now. This isn't the greatest show I've ever watched. It's fine. Just watch it for the cast because they're hot. Hey guys, so it's 12 a.m. midnight right now, and I was just like having a little drink that I made, but while I was doing that, I just got the news on Instagram by FC Barcelona that Messi has decided to leave Barcelona after like what, 16 years, 17 years, and it was so disappointing because like this season has been like, the summer break has been like full of disappointments for every football fan. Firstly, for my club that I support, Real Madrid, Sergio Ramos, our captain, left after 16 years. Then then Rafael Varane, who's another player who was there for a very long time, left. Like, it was so disheartening for me. And then Messi leaves, which is again very disheartening for me. So I'm so shocked that like actually Messi decided to leave, because I thought he would stay. I cannot even imagine what, actually I can imagine what Barcelona fans are feeling, because I felt that exact thing 2-3 years ago when Ronaldo left. So finally, I think they'll get a taste of their own medicine. I'll not say that. So I guess that was all for this video. I'm actually a little disappointed Messi left, because he was a great player. He is a great player. But looking forward to more Barcelona and Real Madrid rivalries. So yeah, that is all for this video guys. Really hope you all like it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video now. Bye bye.
It is 1:59. I'm so nervous. I'm just going to open the CBSE result on the website. Really happy with economics. Again, I'm really happy. Okay, this feels surreal. I cannot.